There are 33 reserved words in the Python programming language. In this video, we will discuss the keyword continue. Welcome back to our Python series. Today we're diving into a small but mighty keyword, continue. It's a loop control statement that often goes unnoticed but can significantly enhance the efficiency of your loops. Let's get into it. In Python, continue is a loop control statement that, when executed, skips the rest of the code inside the loop for the current iteration and jumps back to the top of the loop for the next iteration. It's like saying, I'm done with this one, let's move on to the next. Why use continue? Its primary role is to enhance loop efficiency and readability by allowing you to skip over certain iterations without breaking out of the loop entirely. This can be particularly useful when you're looking to ignore specific values or conditions within a loop. You'll find continue invaluable in situations where not every loop iteration is needed, whether filtering out specific data, searching for items while bypassing unwanted conditions, or simply wanting to reduce nesting by avoiding large if blocks. Continue streamlines your loops. Let's see continue in action through a simple example. In this snippet, we loop through numbers 1 to 10. Using continue, we skip over even numbers, directly jumping to the next iteration. The result? Only odd numbers are printed, demonstrating continue's ability to bypass parts of a loop based on a condition. And that's the essence of the continue statement. By incorporating it into your loops, you can write cleaner, more efficient Python code. Remember, smart looping is key to effective programming. Keep exploring the depth of Python, and as always, happy coding. For more tips and tricks, make sure to subscribe.